Hi everybody, Handyman Steve here. Today we are in German Village, Ohio. It's a famous old historical area. It's all brick houses from the 1880s. We just started, but as you can tell, it's like this throughout the community. It's just absolutely amazing. The gardens, the architecture. It's so just fun to be here and relax, and it's a nice shade day and cool and feels good. But anyways, if you're ever in Ohio, Columbus, make this a stop. There's all kinds of great restaurants, delis. It's just a very fun area. I love the sound of the fountains. I think it's so relaxing. I think it is a house now. It was the school.
Warmer.
Yes. Looks like they've got it into a house now.
That would make sense.
Don't really go in the backyard.
I think we can probably see it from here. No, we can't.
They made sure they had that bricked in. This is the exact home that gave me the inspiration for my boxwood hedge project. And they just put white sun pations in there. But this whole road is my favorite. So I just want to take you guys. Wow, this one is so pretty. With the gate. Their boxwood game is on point here, whoever does all the gardening. This is absolutely stunning. Wow. Looks like we got a sunroom back there. Wasn't this such a fun day, you guys? You got to see it in person, though, to really, really appreciate all these gardens. They're beautiful, beautiful gardens, and it's amazing here in German Village. Thank you so much for joining us today, and go find your passion today. Thank you.